Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by creating the minimal items. A screen GUI with a frame and a text button labeled Teleport button. This is the control the player clicks. Make sure you add a teleport location part in Workspace and anchor it so it won't move. Once done, open the Explorer and Properties panels to confirm names. Scripts reference them exactly. You do this now so later code can find objects reliably, avoiding runtime nil errors that break teleport behavior. Now add a local script inside Teleport button to run client-side. You want instant feedback and secure input. Inside, get Local Player and Connect button, activated to a function that finds teleport location and uses player. Character, move to target. Position, make sure you check for nil before calling move to if target or character is missing, worn, and return. This prevents errors and explains why validation matters. Finish by testing and play solo, then start server with clients to confirm behavior with other players. You want consistent results. If teleport fails, open the output and inspect errors, verify object names match the script, and ensure the part is anchored and not inside a locked model. If you need authoritative moves or cross-server travel, switch to a server-side remote event and call move to from the server. One key tip: always handle nil references to avoid silent failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.